The world has always presented humanity with difficult challenges, and there will always be more challenges. But Cal Poly students have the power to create solutions to real-world problems. Our Learn by Doing approach and emphasis on interdisciplinary collaboration encourages students to brainstorm innovative ways to improve quality of life, even before they graduate. With that in mind, we created the Change the World Challenge. The Change the World Challenge is an annual, transformative, multidisciplinary student design competition that addresses the world's pressing contemporary problems. Participants will be grouped into multidisciplinary teams.
You get unique perspectives and get to see how other people from different colleges were taught to think about problems and be proactive problem solvers.
Each team will identify a specific challenge and then work together to develop a proposed solution using a holistic systems thinking approach.
Systems thinking is about thinking about all those paths, mapping it out, and really thinking where does our fifth system fit into this environment, and how do we make a product that has the most change.
This method is an intentional mental practice that looks at multiple perspectives to solve complex problems. The competition will span all 3 quarters with a time commitment of approximately 4 hours each week. The teams will present to a panel of judges from a variety of industries who will present prizes to the top 3 proposals. Everyone will collaborate with people from other disciplines to tackle a real-world problem, gaining valuable experience for their future careers.
It feels really rewarding to have a fully fleshed out idea with such a broad prompt. And I got to explore a lot of different areas that I probably wouldn't have explored otherwise.
Are you up for the challenge?